Hi all, the first counter is Wilmar. Looking at the weekly candlestick, I would say that it is bullish. Okay, bullish. Okay, because you have seen 3 weeks of consecutive going up, and you look at the monthly candlestick. Of course, I was actually in it at here. It went up. It went down halfway. I exited because I had to protect my losses, protect my capital. So anyway, you see an engulfing, bullish engulfing, followed by a gap up. So confirmation that it is likely to be bullish. And then if you take a look at the weekly candlestick, okay, to draw the lines, okay, to draw the horizontal supports and resistance. Okay, these are some of the areas I think will be I will be drawing at. Okay, and then I also see something like here. Okay, so I mean, if you go to the daily time frame, and then after that you draw, you find out what is your ATR. Okay, currently, which is about 7 cents. Okay, how do you want to enter it? What I will do is that, I take this support down here, 7 cents, so it's 63 cents. 63 cents. Okay, and then I probably another half of this, maybe somewhere down here. Okay, or maybe I mean, just goes a little bit higher. Okay, this will be maybe my trade plan, but I'm not sure whether is this the best way to trade it, because immediately here there will be resistance, that is going to be a huge resistance. So how I can trade instead is that either I let it go up, have a consolidation, has some reason breaks higher, enter here with a red color stop loss down here, or else, okay, maybe I use another color. Okay, I could wait for it to, go higher. Okay, then retest. Okay, I do not know whether will it go down further some more, but then if it goes down to here, I definitely will buy. Okay, and then it goes up higher. So when it's going up, I buy it somewhere down here, and I draw my stop loss 180R, 180R above. So if you can take a look at such a plan, how I will do is I will need to wait, and that's all I have for Wilmar. Thanks. And then now for GL. GL is a very interesting counter. I never really looked at it before. But generally speaking, the price right now is above the 10 and 40 day, 40 weeks, sorry, 10 40 weeks moving average. And how I would analyze this is that over the long term, you can actually see this channel now here. But I'm not going to believe it because I don't trade such a long term. I'm not going to look at the channel like this. However, what I can say is that if you zoom in, okay, this past don't know how many weeks, okay, this past few weeks, nearly more than a year, it has been downtrending. And then recently, okay, you see this kind of pattern, lower, higher lows, sorry, higher highs. Okay, so if this is the kind of pattern you will see, okay, let me draw all the horizontal lines. Okay, maybe down here. Okay, down here. Okay, and then down here for sure. Okay, and then I will go to the daily time frame. So one of the issues I have with this counter is that it probably might be a little bit thinly traded, but that's not a big issue. What you will want to do is that, you can actually see relatively good consolidation. So maybe this line is gonna be somewhere down here. Maybe let me delete this line and redraw the line to be here. Okay, and if you take a look at it, okay, honestly speaking, I wouldn't enter because it's relatively slow moving. Okay, but if you do want to enter because reversal of trend, um, what I would say is that maybe somewhere down here, so you break up higher, and then you set maybe somewhere down here as your red line. Okay, then you take a look at the ATR. Okay, and then you will see, you know 1.5 cents kind of ATR. So 1.5 cents. Yep, it breaks this line, you exit. So this is my trading pattern for this. I wouldn't enter this counter because seems like, you know, the limit could be down here. So I mean, do your due diligence. Okay, it's still a relatively okay trade in my opinion, because if you take a look, it's a reward ratio of 4. So that's all. For high P, okay, let's take a look at high P as requested. It looks bullish, of course, because of the value above the 10 and 40 weeks moving average. So let me draw the horizontal supports at the high level, big picture basis. Okay, somewhere down here. Okay, and then maybe down here, and then also down here. Okay, before zooming into the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, you know, what you actually see is a consolidation down here. Okay, consolidation down here. So I can also see some sort of a support down here. So what this means is that, let me take a look at the ATR for this counter. ATR shows that it is roughly 6 cents. Okay, let's put it at 6 cents to be safe. So 6 cents, you put 6 cents, so it's at 133, 127. Okay, will be your stop loss. And then maybe somewhere around here could be your enter point. So of course, right now, you take a look at this counter, you say, hey, you know, higher lows, higher highs. So you are going to expect a higher high, maybe somewhere down here, or down here lah. Okay, down here. So you enter the thing. I think it's a fair trade pattern to play. Okay, so let's take a look at what is the risk reward ratio for this particular trade. So if you ask me, the ratio is above 2. I think this could potentially be how you want to trade this counter. Could potentially trade this counter, but do your due diligence, of course. So that's all for high P. But of course, yeah, maybe do your due diligence. If it enters the hit price, you enter. If it hits the stop loss, you can exit it lor. That's all I can not advise, but could share.